Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, April 8th. Let's take a look at that NASDAQ market. We had some figures that came out on Friday that wasn't really favorable in terms of numbers that were expected. And we can see the results of that type of action as the market absorbed that in terms of what happened with new jobs, and it was a lot less than expected. But the issue is it was a little bouncy. I'm looking for an up day on Monday. Feel the same way about the euro. I'm looking for this to continue. We have some definite challenges right ahead, as we talked about in the advanced video. In the Canadian dollar, actually we traded below a bearish level here. And the difference between this green line and the red line, the Canadian dollar, is 58 ticks. And that would translate into this. Each tick is $10, so that would be $580 would be the value of that change. And again, I'm not saying that you should get that or that this would be what you would expect, but I'm trying to give you a feel for what does that represent. And what are we looking for here, though? I'm still looking for buyers to come back into these markets. Also, with the bearish news on the stock market, continued strength in the 10-year notes, not surprising, but I'm looking for a sideways market on Monday. We also saw a shift of capital to the gold market. And this market traded above this bullish level, and that difference here is $22, and that represents $2,200. And again, that's just a reference to give you a feel. Here in silver, this difference between the red and green line there would be $8,400 per contract. And again, it's just a reference for the magnitude of change that we're talking about here. But the issue is, are we going to get continuation from these buyers in gold? And I think we will, but I'm looking for a rest day. Crude oil, low enough to find buyers? I'm not really sure about this follow through here. So I'm looking for a sideways market there. And beans continue finding sellers at these lower levels. Although we should be getting near a level that we could expect to bounce, but don't see it happening yet. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.